Would it truly be a journey around Thailand without attempting to drive our car onto an island? We've decided the answer to that question is a definite no.
Ready? This is a Thai rainstorm.
This country has more than 1,400 islands. Many are only accessible by boat, but lucky for us, a handful welcome vehicles aboard the ferry. So, that's exactly what we're deciding to do.
We've been to a lot of places, and I've driven in I think about 15 countries at this point. This is the first time that I've ever driven on a ferry.
We've chosen Koh Chang, Thailand's third largest island, hidden on the southeastern corner along the Cambodian border. We've heard about the beaches and waterfalls here, but after one quick look at the road, that became our reason to come. Over 70% of this island is covered by steep jungle terrain. Its highest peak reaches an elevation of 744 meters above sea level. 5 minutes off the ferry, and we're already climbing.
All your faves.
The busyness we're greeted with on the north end of the island lets us know this isn't the area for us. So we continue south.
We are a long way from where we left off in our last video, about 10 hours of driving plus a ferry. We made a stop back in Bangkok to return the original rental car, and we picked up a new one, and this time we're going to be exploring the southeastern region of Thailand, which we haven't been to before. And yeah, our list of places to visit in Thailand is just too long. We've had a hard time narrowing it down, but Koh Chang seems like the perfect place to start for this leg of the trip.
Our first impression is that Koh Chang has somehow squeezed Thailand's mountains, jungles, waterfalls, and beaches all onto one island.
How is it?
Pretty good. It's perfect swimming temperature. It's a little hot out here, but the water is really good.
You gonna swim?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. This is you couldn't create a better beach than this. It's only sand, there's no rocks, there's no shells, and the water's crystal clear, and it feels perfect. This is the perfect beach. Oh, it's Thai green curry. That was good.
You see any fish?
No, I didn't see any fish. It's like once you get past where the waves break, there's no rocks, there's no shells. I didn't see any fish. It's all just like soft white sand. It's like once you get right here, it's perfect. It's like I couldn't create a better beach swimming experience. This is the kind that I like. One fresh coconut shake for my beach babe.
Thank you.
Those coconuts are fresh picked. I saw the guy climb up in the tree and get them.
You didn't climb up there and get them?
No, I cannot climb up in a tree like that.
It's really good. Lonely Beach right now, which is a very interesting name for a beach, I think, but we are some of the only people here right now, so maybe that's where the name comes from. I don't know.
Dude, that's so cool. I think we were able to make it back just in time to avoid the rainstorm. Our next stop is Kai Bay Beach.
Kai Bay.
Kai Bay Bay.
I knew you were going to say that. That's why I said that.
I love that beeping when I go in reverse because it makes me sound like I'm driving like a UPS truck or something. It makes it seem a lot cooler than a little Toyota Camry. Let's do it one more time.
I read that Ko Chang is also known as Elephant Island because apparently something about the way that the island looks is shaped like an elephant. I don't really see it, but I don't know. That's what it's called. But one thing that has surprised me about how the island looks is that the roads are really steep. They just go like straight up and then it's really sharp, like complete like U-turn turns. So it's really different than any of the other Thai islands that we've been to because they seem to be more flat, but this one is more of like a mountain jungle situation. The tide is pretty far in. I think there's not much beach. It looks like there's a little bit down that way. Maybe.
Should we walk down there? Okay.
You want to?
Yeah, let's walk down there. We were only out here for about 5 minutes before it started raining, so I guess the Kai Baby Beach is living up to its name. It's crying right now. That was a joke.
I'm convinced the saying, "when it rains, it pours," was written about Ko Chang. Here, it doesn't just rain. It appears Mother Nature drains her bathtub onto the island. Often reaching over 20 inches per month during this time of year, it makes for less than ideal beach weather. But when you're in paradise, can you really complain?
ต้องถูกมันตัวปีกไม่ใช่รสดีธรรมดารสดีหมู
We've spent an embarrassingly long amount of time in Thailand to have never tried papaya salad. It's like papaya and peanuts and then these like beans, I think it is. And it's usually really spicy, but Ben asked for not spicy. So we'll see how not spicy it is.
She showed me the specific pepper that she put in there.
To get your approval?
Yeah, and I approved of it.
It smells really good.
Wow. Wait, this is a little spicy. This reminds me of it's almost got like a coleslaw consistency, but it's got like, I feel like it's got the Thai spice in it that has a little bit more of like the spiciness.
Thai coleslaw.
It's Thai. Oh, that's a perfect description of Thai coleslaw.
Can you tell that we're from the South?
Yeah. Wow, this is spicy though. I'm glad I only asked for one.
Really?
Because, oh man, I bet if she put in a few, that'll light you up. My mouth is still sitting here burning, actually. It's.
Oh, really? I'm like shoveling this in.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like.
I don't even think we have any water.
It's like a slow burn.
Maybe I should slow
So
down.
just be careful.
It's like just enough rain to be annoying. Like just enough where you can't be outside. You know, like just the constant.
But
it looks like it's about to be a lot more rain.
Yeah. Oh, you can tell all the way over there that it's like torrential downpour.
Yeah,
So that
like
dark
in the
area,
middle.
Yeah.
Take back my disappointment about the sunset because now it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so pink.
This one, I said it was a painting before. This is a painting. This is a real painting.
All right, it's about to do it.
Okay.
I'm willing the lightning. 3, 2, 1. There's a bug on my camera.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
All right. Man, that was a close one. Of course, I knew exactly how much it cost, and I didn't have enough money. I spent the rest of my money at 7-Eleven. Talking time. Oh my gosh. Am I not about to hit that car?
We are leaving Ko Chang today and taking the ferry back across to the mainland to Trat. The ferry only takes like 30 minutes and it was like $8 for both of us plus the car. And then after the ferry we have about an hour drive to Chantaburi. So not too big of a road trip day, but we're leaving the island and getting back to it. Ben's out there inspecting how close we are to this other car to make sure we're not going to hit it. Seems like we must be good.
What you pondering?
Oh, it's probably a really nice view when it's not raining, and how the island really isn't that far. It's pretty close. I wonder how many miles.
probably build a bridge.
That would be nice.
Maybe they should.
Back on land, baby.
Back on mainland Thailand. It's good to be home.